Hi, my name is Riley Chapman, and I am a student mentor here at AZVA in 2020. Welcome to the AZVA Experience Courses tutorial on how to create and organize your folders effectively. Today, I'm going to be using the application File Explorer, but if you have something different, that's okay, because the processes are probably going to be very similar to each other in just different applications. So if I open my File Explorer, here you see things that I've been into, but we can talk about that later. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk to you about is where you're going to put your files. Most people would probably put their files in the Documents folder, but I put them in my OneDrive folder because OneDrive actually takes my files that I save there and puts it into an external server so that if I ever lose my computer, I still have access to those files. I wouldn't use the Documents folder because it doesn't do that. So if you happen to lose your computer, then you lose your files too. So real quick, I'm going to show you where you can find your document folder and your OneDrive folder. If you don't have OneDrive, that's okay, but I do recommend getting Microsoft OneDrive or another program that will do what OneDrive does. So you go into this PC folder, and you see all these different things. Click your C drive. So it's OSC. You double click to enter it, and you have different options of what to do. Double click into users. And here you see public and Riley. My name is Riley and I have an account under my name, so that's why I have this folder here. My computer automatically does that, and if I double click to go into it, I see all these different things that I can use in File Explorer. Now I see my Documents folder is right here, and my OneDrive folder is right here. I'm going to use my OneDrive folder, but we're going to go into it a different way for this video. So if I go into Quick Access, here we see all this stuff. These are my recent files, but I'm going to hide those for now. So I'm going to put stuff in my OneDrive folder. So I'm going to right-click in my OneDrive folder to create a folder. So I right-clicked, I select New, and then I select Folders. And here I have all these different folders that I have in OneDrive, but here I have a new one that I can title. So I'm going to call this one Freshman Year. And that's going to be my year folder. And inside my year folder, I'm going to include 2 semester folders. So if you double click on your folder, you're going to want to create 2 new folders. And to do that, it's really simple. Right click. The process is always the same to create new folders. Right click, select new, and select folder. Now you can title your semester 1 folder. Semester 1. Oh, not 14. Semester 1. Now we do another one. New. Folder. Semester 2. Now you have both of your semester folders inside your year folder. That makes sense, right? Because it's the big year and then 2 semesters. And in each semester, what do you have? You have subjects. So to go into semester 1, double click. Now to create a subject folder, right click, select new, select folder, and we'll call this one algebra. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Okay, and you can create a bunch of other folders for other subjects such as earth science, English, etc. And if you're involved in any clubs, you might want to have a club folder. If you're in any programs, a program folder. And then I would also recommend you have a new folder for other. So that's going to be like any documents that you don't know where they fit, but you want to keep it, so you put it in other. So lastly, I want to show you how to basically just keep your folders and files organized and not like scattered everywhere. So go into your algebra folder by double clicking on it and pretend this is just each subject folder. You're going to put all of your files, documents, videos, pictures, etc. that go with that subject in the corresponding folder. So all of my math notes that I take digitally, put them in my algebra folder. All of my biology notes, put them in my biology folder. It's that simple. Yeah, so that's pretty much it on how to create and organize your folders and files effectively. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching. Always remember, this is your time to work hard, to learn, to achieve, to grow, to prepare, and to have joy in your accomplishments. Have a great day.